Welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Jordan Classen on what consumers should know when buying a half or a quarter of beef. And now Jordan is back with a recipe, and Karen is joining her now with more.
And it's fitting, this recipe uses beef. It's a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. And Jordan, this is your own recipe.
Yes, yep. I just kind of kept working through trial and error and found this one. It's very simple, very easy. If you're dairy-free, it can be dairy-free. If you're gluten-free, it can be gluten-free. You can put it on top of a salad or whatever you want to. So we're going to start. So I'll cut the package while you kind of pour the ingredients together. So we have a half tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and it always bubbles and makes kind of a fun concoction. And then we'll spoon that into our into our garlic and Worcestershire sauce. And then we'll pour in our seasoning along with the 2 cups of water, and that makes our brine. So this is what's going to soften our meat, give it a little bit of flavor, and tenderize it. And then our meat we'll add in, which I might have grabbed too small of a bowl, but we'll add in our meat, and then that will be usually I let it sit for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
But for the purpose of the show, we'll just keep on moving. So then we kind of mix it together, let it sit for a while. It'll start to absorb those flavors.
Nice. Okay.
And then we pour it in to drain into our strainer.
Ooh, this is starting to go here.
Yep.
Get her
Turn
back
it
up
down
a little bit.
And then we go ahead and pour that onto the griddle, and we'll start to brown it. Sorry. And then on the peppers and onions, I just put a lid over the top of it to let it steam itself, basically. I mostly do steamed peppers and onions as the topping that I like. And then we'll brown that Philly meat until it's fully cooked. And Philly meat also is called skirt steak.
Oh, so when you're looking for this in the grocery store.
Yep, it would be skirt steak or Philly meat, depending upon how it's labeled.
Okay.
Yep.
Perfect. And we're looking at the ingredients here. Again, this is on our Facebook page on Pure Nebraska or on my Facebook page. Might make it easier for you to copy it down. So how long does it take?
Yeah, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes. All from start to finish, I'd say about 30 minutes.
Okay.
And then you can plate it with a salad or on a bun, up to your preference, and then with whatever toppings you like. We like mushrooms, jalapenos, and sometimes we like to make a little beef sauce to put over the top of it for dipping.
Perfect. Yeah, so here we have what you can put on top, mushrooms, some cheese, and this is the final thing here.
Yep.
I'll just do this for time's sake. The meat is so good.
Yeah, it has a lot of flavor once it sits in the brine. So
no, this is really good. And as I said, this recipe is on our Facebook page to copy it down. Give it a try tonight. Jordan, thank you for sharing that.
Of course.
I'll continue to eat. Back to you, John.